Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The roasted beans are fed into our massive steel grinders. The intense pressure and friction transform the nib Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how chocolate is made. Freeze plugged in is from start to finish. And that's how chocolate is made. Freeze plugged in is from start to finish.